everyone, welcome to today's tutorial, and in this video I will be covering the rulers tool. The rulers tool, in simple words, actually helps you to leave some amount of space on the sides as well as on the bottom and on the top. So this tool actually comes in handy if you're designing multiple pages for your catalog or for your thesis project or for any professional project that you're working on. It could be for your business or for your own personal project, right? So let's begin and let me show you how it's done. So we'll start by creating a new document. So for this video, I will be sticking to this A4 size document, which is 21 by 29.7 centimeters. The orientation will be portrait, and I will give a name to my document, Rulers Tool. So before I also begin, I would like to bring your notice to this artboard option right here. Usually, there is only one document that we work on, but for this video, I will be working with two documents on my screen. So you can do that by clicking on this upper button right here to increase the value. So let's begin. Okay, so this is how my screen will look like. So in case if you're unable to see all these tools on your screen, make sure that the Essential Classic options has been switched on from this drop-down box below. Okay, so let's start with the Rulers tool. So in order to enable the Rulers tool, we go to the View option right here, come all the way down to this Rulers option and click on Show Rulers. So then automatically two rulers appear on your screen, which is on the left hand side as well as on the top hand side. So let's add the rulers to our pages. To do that, we'll slowly click and drag our rulers to our page like that. So the rulers on the left hand side will also help you to decide how much space you want to leave on both your documents like that. And your rulers initially will look like this thin dotted line. So but if you let go, it becomes into a dark blue line like that. But unfortunately, by default, the color of your ruler will be blue and you can't really change the color or the thickness at all. So let's drag the ruler again by clicking and dragging and slowly bring it to the bottom side of our page like that, and we let go. Similarly, let's do it from the left hand side as well and leave equal amount of space. Right. So this will help us to make our documents look so much more better. Like that, and one last time on the other side as well. So now once you've made your grids like these, you know you have to make your illustrations or add your content in the middle portion over here and try and avoid exceeding any of your illustrations way past this guide over here. Because if you do, and if you get your documents binded, there's a possibility that your illustration will get cut with the binding as well. And you don't want that to happen at all, do you? So let's begin. So we can start by making our illustration however we want, right? So I'll click on the shape tool right here and click on polygon. I will give the stroke color of my shape to be black and make a shape. So it can be anything like that. So you can go crazy, you can make abstract designs as long as you are well within the guides like that. So for example, this can be like your cover page for your catalog that you're making, right? That, let's just fill it up and one last one over here. That's it. There you go. So you can go crazy with it, play around as much as you want, manipulate it however you wanted it to be. Let's also put this one right here. That's it. So let's also fill it with colors now that we are making an abstract shape. So let's make it all multicolored and let's go completely funky with our shapes like that. Right, we go to the shape builder tool since I want all these little spaces to be in multicolored, right? And let's go crazy. So you can fill it up however you want, like that. So, well, you get the idea, right? I will not be spending so much time filling it up, right? So it's like that. And then of course, if you like, you can also add your texts over here or make a rough layout on how you want your content to look like. And that's it. So once you're done and you want to save your files now, right? So we go to File and go to Save As. So by default, our document will be saved as an Adobe Illustrator file. I will highly recommend that you save your documents first in this Adobe Illustrator format so that in case if you want to make any changes in your original document, you can easily access it. And also PS, don't worry, once you save your document, these lines will not show initially unless you open the original document, right? But in case if you also save your document in a PDF or a JPEG format and then you take that document to get it printed, these grids, these light blue grids that we made will not show. It will be like an invisible grid which will only help you to organize your documents a lot better. So now coming back to the saving option. So in case if I want to save it as a PDF, I can click on the Adobe PDF format. And in case now I want to save it as a JPEG format, we go to Export and Export As. So by default, again, the file will be saved as a JPEG format. And we click on Export. And that's it. It's that easy to use the rulers tool. Right, so with a little practice, you will soon be more familiar with the rulers tool. So thank you for watching and I hope you found this video to be useful.